This is Baebody Eye Cream. This is an awesome eye cream. It is critically acclaimed. It is well known for helping with dark circles, puffiness, hydrating the eyes. You use your face moisturizers and serums first, and then you put this on afterwards. Ingredient-led innovation, dermatologist tested, backed by science. It's made with really great ingredients. Rosehip oil, vitamin E, hibiscus flower extract, and vitamin C. All great products for your skin. The eye cream itself has a really neat distribution. I really like this little pump. You squeeze down on here and the cream comes out. That way you do not waste and you get just the right amount. And it lands on the top of this container without having to dip into it, which is so great. Watch how wonderful it is. It's hypoallergenic, and you simply apply it around your eyes. There's no strong scent. It is just moisturizing, and it feels incredibly great. You will love the way it feels day and night. It will make a big difference. Dark circles, puffiness, hydration, and moisturizing. It helps with anti-aging and fine lines. You will love this product.